Welcome to this calming body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs fully, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Begin by focusing on your breath. Feel the cool air as you breathe in and the warm air as you breathe out. Let each breath bring you deeper into a state of relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to your head. Notice any sensations at the top of your head and your forehead. With each breath out, feel the muscles here softening and relaxing. Move your focus to your neck and shoulders. As you exhale, allow any tightness to melt away, feeling your shoulders drop naturally, releasing any tension. Shift your attention to your arms. From your shoulders down to your hands, feel their weight, noticing any tingling or warmth. Allow your arms to rest comfortably, letting go of any heaviness. Now, bring your awareness to your chest. Notice the rise and fall with each breath. Imagine your breath flowing into any tight spots, soothing and relaxing your chest. Move your focus to your stomach and lower back. As you breathe out, feel these areas becoming softer, letting go of any discomfort or tightness. Bring your attention now to your hips and pelvis. Notice if there is any tension here. With each exhale, allow the muscles to relax, feeling a sense of release. Now, shift your focus down to your legs. Feel the weight of your thighs, your knees, and your calves. Allow any tightness or stress to soften as you breathe out. Finally, bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground. Noticing any sensations here. Allow your feet to fully relax and feel grounded. Take a moment now to scan your entire body from head to toe. Notice the calm and relaxation that fills you. Embrace this feeling of peace and presence. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you felt calmer or more centered after this practice, please share your experience in the comments. Your stories help inspire others. Until next time, stay peaceful and be kind to yourself.